And New York lawmakers are pushing for legislation they say would prevent drunk driving by closing what they call a loophole in current laws. Newsroom NBC's Declan Stablow spoke to a set of parents who say the law could have saved their son's life and breaks down what the law would do.
It's a law that would keep people convicted of a DWI from avoiding installing court-ordered interlock ignition devices. Those are breathalyzers installed in cars that keep the engine from starting unless you're sober. Henry Rivera Jr. was killed on I-590 in Brighton by an impaired driver just before he graduated high school. Henry's friend, Pedro Hernandez, was also killed. That impaired driver had previously been in 3 other crashes involving drugs in New York. Henry Jr.'s parents are hopeful this law will help prevent more deaths like their son's.
It is one of these things that, if it could prevent, incident from somebody harming themselves or anybody in society, it is absolutely 100% worth that this law passes.
These are some photos of IIDs provided by Corey Watkins from Smart Start, a company that installs the devices. New York State Senator Jeremy Cooney says right now around 25% of people ordered to install IIDs actually do.
What we found is that they don't own a vehicle, or they get rid of their vehicle. They sell their vehicle or what have you. So then they just wait out their 6 months and they get their license back.
But this new law would require convicted DWI offenders to show they're actually using an IID over a period of 6 consecutive months to get their license reinstated. Senator Cooney says the goal of the law is to get people to change their behavior.
To know that, I can't get back home from the bar or from dinner if I've had too much to drink. Therefore, I'm going to drink less before I get behind the wheel.
It also requires DWI offenders to have an IID installed in any car they use regularly, even if they don't own it.
If you use your wife's car, you're installing this on your wife's car. If you use your neighbor's car, you're installing this on your neighbor's car. And you have to do that for 6 contiguous months.
Courts would have access to a log of the device to make sure it's being used.
Anything that we can do to prevent another person from taking the life of an innocent person, in a blink of an eye from a family member, we go 100% all the way.
The law is a 2-house bill, which means it has to get past the New York State Senate and Assembly before it'll move on to Governor Kathy Hochul's desk. In Brighton, Declan Stablow, News 10 NBC.
Senator Cooney says drivers who do install court-ordered IIDs do often change their behaviors and are able to avoid future offenses.